When buying or chartering dry bulk vessels, it's important to choose the right ship. But evaluating potential candidates can be very time-consuming, and is not always an easy task. Choosing the wrong ship can be very costly, and the financial impact can potentially amount to hundreds of thousands of dollars. But with VesselIndex, you can save both time and money. VesselIndex is an online tool which enables easy comparison of the daily earning potential between dry bulk vessels. It gives a clear commercial overview over strengths and weaknesses of different ships. VesselIndex is based on a unique algorithm and is built around the geographical ranges used by the well-known and acknowledged Baltic Dry Index. This algorithm takes into account speed and consumption, deadweight, draft, and cubic capacity when establishing the vessel's daily earning potential, and the algorithm can be altered to fit the customer's needs. Best of all, VesselIndex is easy to use. First, find the vessels you want to evaluate. Next, make sure the values entered are correct, or enter your own. Press Calculate and compare the results. The underlying market levels and fuel prices are updated on a weekly basis, ensuring that the system is always up to date with the latest movements in the market. This way, VesselIndex gives ship owners, investors, and other stakeholders a sound basis for decision-making, benefiting the entire dry bulk market. Interested? Sign up for a free trial today and find the best ship for your needs.